Cryptic. Mysterious, secret, and hard to understand. His cryptic message confused everyone. She gave him a cryptic smile that he couldn't read. Dearth. A lack or shortage of something. There was a dearth of clean water in the village. The team lost because of a dearth of preparation. Intrepid. Very brave, fearless. The intrepid explorer went into the jungle alone. She showed intrepid courage during the rescue mission. Debacle. A complete failure, disaster, or mess. The concert turned into a debacle when the power went out. His plan to start a business ended in a financial debacle. Delve. To search deeply or investigate. She delved into the history of her family. Reporters delved into the scandal to uncover the truth. Innocuous. Harmless, not dangerous. His joke was innocuous, but she still felt upset. The medicine is innocuous and safe for children. Derogatory. Disrespectful, insulting, or negative. He made a derogatory remark about her appearance. Derogatory comments can hurt people deeply. Eradicate. To completely remove or destroy something harmful. Scientists are working to eradicate deadly diseases. The government wants to eradicate corruption from society. Exemplary. Serving as a perfect example, a model to follow. Her exemplary behavior made her teacher proud. The soldier received an award for exemplary service. Indignant. Feeling angry because something is unfair. She was indignant when accused of cheating. He gave an indignant reply to the rude comment. Inhibit. To stop, slow down, or prevent something. Fear can inhibit people from speaking in public. Tight rules inhibited creativity in the classroom. Inevitable. Certain to happen, cannot be avoided. Change is inevitable in life. It was inevitable that the team would lose after so many mistakes. Insatiable. Never satisfied, always wanting more. He has an insatiable hunger for success. Children have an insatiable curiosity about the world. Ostentatious. Showy, trying to attract attention by wealth or style. She wore an ostentatious gold watch to impress people. The mansion was decorated in an ostentatious manner. Perilous. Very dangerous, full of risk. The soldiers went on a perilous mission. Crossing the river during the flood was perilous. Malevolent. Having evil intentions, wanting to harm others. The villain had a malevolent smile. They believed a malevolent spirit haunted the house. Magnanimous. Very kind, generous, forgiving. She was magnanimous in victory, showing respect to the loser. His magnanimous spirit made everyone admire him. Frivolous. Silly, not serious, or without real value. He spent his money on frivolous things he didn't need. Stop asking frivolous questions and focus on the work. Diligent. Hardworking, careful, and persistent. She is a diligent student who always completes her homework. The workers were diligent in finishing the project on time.